video. So how this game is going to work, we are going to have a Barbie. There is going to be a person that is going to hide this Barbie, and the person that hides the Barbie will be just doing whatever they're doing, and then there will be two other people that are sneaking in and trying to find the Barbie. Whoever finds the Barbie will get to grab this canoe and sneak out without getting caught. So let's get on with the video.
But before we get started, if you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed,
make sure you subscribe button.
Because we actually need you to subscribe. We're really new on YouTube.
So let's get on with the game. First round, I'll be the hider of the Barbie.
Oh, no, this should be last time.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Charlie will be hiding the Barbie, and me and Pricey will sneak in. Charlie hides the Barbie in the room.
Let's find the best hiding spot.
Come on, Charlie. I mean, Price.
I don't
want to do it. Okay. Go outside.
I'm gonna.
Charlie,
I'm done. Layla, done.
Okay. And we have to freeze like this if we think we're gonna get caught.
Yes. I love macaroni. I'm gonna go color.
And now it's my turn to hide the Barbie. Charlie.
Hold on, can I finish coloring this thing?